get in there nice and easy. Follow the steps. Anybody should be able to do this.
Alright, so today we're installing the tint overlay from Premium, the black ones, on the BRZ 2017. So first I gotta clean all this since it's hella dirty, as you can see. We're just gonna use water, and then I have the stuff right here. I ordered all that on Amazon. Some towels and some gloves in case I need them, the heat gun, and the clay bar right here. So I'm just gonna spray this. And then I'm gonna wipe it. And then just use a microfiber towel. You see all that dirt? I'm gonna spray a second time. I did not know I had this many edges or curves. Okay. Okay, then we're gonna wet it one more time. And we're gonna use the clay bar. Like that. And then just mold it. And just spray it. And then just the camera can't really pick it up, but it's like small little specks. And then we're gonna use one of these, make sure the edge is sharp. One of these squeegees, try to get the ones with the little felt thing right here. And then right here's the overlay. I got it from Premium. Seen them on YouTube, so hopefully it's a good product. So that's how it's gonna go. Or you could picture it. So first thing you do is spray this. And then we're gonna peel it. Okay. And then this is the sticky side. So just grab it like that. And then just put it on there like that. Then you want to put it like right there, and then you're gonna work your way. Alright, so I'll do the same thing. And clean it. Clay bar. Alright, so let me see if I can press the brake. Alright, here, this is what I can do. That's how the car looks like right now. It basically just has see if I can hate these gaps, dude. I think I have to like fix them. But I installed the lip, and then tint and the white. Let me just turn it off real quick. Shout out to security guard right there for telling me I couldn't be up here, but he let me. Who knew? Who knew I wouldn't be allowed to be up here? It's pretty nice up here though. I can see why. But yeah, that looks pretty sick. Come on, let me just take some pictures. Damn, looks hella shitty in video. I just couldn't figure it out, honestly. And it's like, when I put it the first time, this got wrinkled and then it wouldn't unwrinkle. This just got wrinkled, and then look at this. This part right here just fucking like cracked right when I placed it the first time, and then I tried putting it. But I spent 25 bucks on it. So I'm just gonna roll like that for a little bit. Until maybe I go to LA and actually stop by their place. Yeah, cause this looks so horrible. Like $26 for no reason. This one came out a little bit better, but it still did not come out that great. And look, like I said, it's like just these cuts. Like, I don't know why. Oh, I'm just gonna leave it like that.